Hey budding business family, my name is Isabella. I am the owner of 2 six-figure earning online businesses, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about 5 ways you guys can make money online this year. Every single hustle that I talk about in this video, I have personally done. So I'm not just sitting here like some YouTubers just talking and saying things. I only tell you guys things that I genuinely believe and know you guys can make money from. I always spend 1 to 2 hours every single day reading and replying to you guys' comments on my YouTube channel, and I've noticed a lot of you guys have trouble figuring out what type of method you want to use when trying to figure out what you want to do to make money online. Or maybe you have one hustle that you do online, but you want to try another. Lucky for you guys, I have detailed tutorials step by step showing you guys how to actually do the things that I'm going to be talking about to you guys in this video. So almost everything that you guys need is on my YouTube channel, and I'll also link any video that you may need throughout this video in the description box or in this video as well. I think the hardest thing for some people is actually taking that jump to just start something. So hopefully this video will help you to give you an idea or to confirm that this specific hustle online is right for you. There are so many ways to make money online, and I'm so excited that I get to share these with you guys today. If you guys have not already, make sure you guys like this video so I can continue to make videos like this for you guys, and hit that subscribe button so we can stay connected on YouTube. Now let's get right into this video. Online hustle number 1 for this year is utilizing reselling apps. This is one of my favorite hustles online because you don't actually have to have any sort of business or even business experience to start doing this. Examples of reselling apps include Mercari, Poshmark, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, and so many more. I know some people that do this locally, but for me, somebody that doesn't like to go out and actually meet up with people to sell things, I like to use Mercari and Poshmark more. This is actually a side hustle that I did from the time that I was 17 years old up to now. So not only can you sell things in your home that you don't use anymore, or maybe some old clothes that you have laying around, but you can also use these apps to research what's selling and then use sites like Alibaba to buy things in bulk and resell them on these apps. There's certain trending items that do really well on these types of apps, especially Mercari. Mercari is definitely one of my favorite reselling apps. I show you guys exactly how to find trending products and to do searches in this YouTube video that I already made for you guys specifically on this topic. I also show you guys how to set up listings and everything, so go and check out that video if you haven't already. One side hustle that people do to sell locally by using OfferUp is they'll go on Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp, try to find local people that are getting rid of stuff. A lot of times you'll see things like free couches, free tables, you name it. There's a lot of people that like to give things away for free or for very cheap because they just don't like the hassle. You could then create a listing for that item after buying it or getting it from them, mark it up, and make profits. I'm not a huge fan of doing this side hustle personally because sometimes I always think that there might be people out there that really might need that free stuff. But if there's already a lot of other people that are doing this, then you may as well do it too. Just don't do it so aggressively so that there's not free stuff for people who may really need it. I also see a lot of people just getting rid of clothing and baby clothes, or you name it. I see a lot of people giving away things for free on OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace. So check your local areas on OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace for deals like this. You could technically take whatever free clothing you find from these people and sell them individually on Mercari. It's obviously more time consuming, but that's the reason why these people that wanted to give it away for free didn't have time to do. Where you could take the free stuff that you find from them or things at a low cost like a bundle deal, split everything up and sell it individually on Mercari. Especially if there's labels or clothing brands that people typically search for. You can find out things that are commonly selling on Mercari just by going on Mercari or Poshmark and going under to the sold tab to see what's actually selling. This will give you a good indication of what to look for when looking for bundle deals that people are giving away for free or selling for really cheap just to get it out of their house. So that's side hustle number 1 that I would recommend to anybody that doesn't have money to start a business. Even though I started my business for $100, I recommend this side hustle to anyone that does not have the startup costs to start a business, or someone that just doesn't want to start into business just yet, but wants to give online selling some practice or just need some extra money immediately. This is definitely the fastest way to make money. So hustle number 2 is called dropshipping. If you guys are unfamiliar with what dropshipping is, I have multiple videos about dropshipping on my YouTube channel. Dropshipping is basically when you find an online listing for a certain price and then you create a storefront for that product, which you can make a store for free using Big Cartel, which I show you guys how to do on my YouTube channel. After your storefront is made, you market this product without even having it. So you find creative ways to market this product without having the product, such as posting on TikTok, Instagram, or Pinterest. Then linking your store to these social media posts. Whenever somebody buys that product from your store, you will then place the order on the other website that you originally found the product, and the original website owner will ship that product to the customer directly. So you would obviously mark up the price of the product on your website. So whatever the difference is from the price on the original website to your price that you're listing it and promoting it for, you will keep the profits. I definitely think dropshipping has kind of gotten a bad name because a lot of gurus on YouTube, I feel like, teach it all wrong. But again, I have videos on my YouTube channel showing you guys how you can start dropshipping with $0. So this is another hustle that can take a little bit long to get the hang of, to learn how to market the products properly, to actually set up the website, etc. But it's another great hustle for this year, especially if you do not have space for inventory or you just want to get your feet wet in business. I definitely don't recommend dropshipping long term, but it's a great side hustle for people just getting started into the e-commerce space. So online hustle number 3 is print on demand. There are multiple different ways you can go about using print on demand, and print on demand is very similar to dropshipping, except it's a little bit more custom. What's great about print on demand is that you also don't have inventory on hand, so it's something that you can start doing as long as you have the means to market your products. By utilizing TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest, these are all great ways to market your products. And if you guys want to learn about print on demand, I have a video specifically dedicated to that, so you guys can learn more about that with this video. So internet hustle number 4 is an inventory in-house shipment e-commerce store. This means that you find items in bulk, you get them shipped to your house, you have a space in your house to store them, and you are creating an entire brand and business by having an e-commerce store that you have full control over. This is definitely one of my favorites. It has the most potential long term. But the disadvantage is that you do have to have a lot of faith in yourself to make it work, to push through even when you're not getting sales in the beginning, and to have the right marketing methods in order to be successful. With all of these online hustles that I talk about in this video, all of these hustles require patience. But I definitely always think of in-house inventory as probably the most scariest one, since you're going to be taking up a little part of your home for actual inventory. My e-commerce store has been very successful this past year, and I grew my e-commerce store in less than a year just by posting on TikTok. I never recommend you buying ads for any of these online hustles that I'm talking about in this video. Again, I have videos on my YouTube channel here to support you guys and show you guys all of my secrets laid out for you guys on my channel. I show you guys exactly how I create my content for my e-commerce store and so many other videos to help you guys grow your online stores. The disadvantage of this side hustle is that you do have to have a little bit of money up front to invest in these products, a place to store them in your home, and of course, a lot of faith and trust in yourself that you can make this happen. So number 5 is creator monetization. Creator monetization is also one of my favorite ways to make money online because once you build it, it's a wrap after that. Once you start making money with one thing, it just goes on and on and on. I talk about this hustle specifically in how I made $400,000 this past year. Creator account monetization means that you are creating video content that's getting a large amount of views. So for example, if you guys are unfamiliar with my YouTube channel, I created a TikTok account for my dog a year and a half ago, and since then we have over 5 million followers on TikTok, over 200,000 followers on Instagram and Facebook. She has 700,000 YouTube subscribers, and we are able to use all of these social media accounts to monetize off of her videos. So basically, we have just found a fun way to create videos with my dog. And not only do brands pay us, but we get paid for YouTube views, Facebook views, Instagram campaigns, and so many other ways that we've built throughout creating this creator account. And what's even better with creator accounts is oftentimes you don't even have to show your face. There's a lot of niche categories that you guys can do online that do not require showing your face. Even for my e-commerce store, I do not show my face in my business marketing videos. A lot of people think that you have to show your face, and that's just absolutely not true. And a lot of other people say, well, of course they make money. They have so many followers. But the fact of the matter is that we started with 0 followers too, on both my dog's account and my business account. But that's the difference between people that actually do it and make it happen and people that are afraid and that they think they can't do it. We all have access to the same information, the same apps, the same technology, but some people believe in themselves that they can do something and some people can't. You have to make the decision and choice of what person you want to live your life as. The one thing that you guys do have control over is choosing what thoughts to listen to. So when you're sitting there telling yourself that you can't do something or that you're unable to learn it, you have to refuse to listen to those thoughts. I think people just care too much and they're their own self-critics instead of just jumping into something and accepting that not everything will be perfect. And that's why I also teach you guys on my YouTube channel of how to start these hustles with $0, so you're really not risking anything. The only thing that is holding you back from actually doing it is your own mind. I am no smarter than anyone else, and I have learned almost everything that I know today just from watching other YouTubers and trying things myself, which is what I teach you guys. Out of all these hustles, my favorite are 4 and 5, which is creator monetization and having an inventory e-commerce store. I enjoy these the most, and I do them to this day because they have the longest growth long term. So the time that I'm putting in, I feel as though I will get the most value out of my time long term. And the goal with these side hustles and all of these online hustles is that we are no longer trading our time for money. So like when you go to work and you work 8 hours, you're trading those 8 hours for a certain amount of pay. If I work 8 hours on my website, working on marketing techniques, those 8 hours can make me tens of thousands of dollars. And I think there's this big misconception that a lot of people that are entrepreneurs, they have to wake up at 7 a.m. every day and they don't have time for anything else, but I have never felt more free in my entire life. And I definitely don't wake up that early either. I hope this video helped you guys to inspire you guys of finding new ways to make money online this year. If this video helped you guys, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and like this video so I can continue to make videos like this for you guys. And if you tried any of these side hustles, comment down below so you can inspire others as well. And of course, if you guys have any questions at all, leave me a comment in the comment section down below and I'd be happy to answer as many questions as I can for you guys. Make sure you guys also follow me on Instagram for business tips and inspiration as well. Bye you guys!